Good morning from Alicante, Spain. I am currently in a friend's house editing like mad because the last videography assignment is over. We are back from the Philippines, and what you have just seen is sort of like my hero piece rap video from the Philippines. I put it together with some of what I consider to be the best footage taken during the Brendan Van Son and Jodie Dewberry Photo BVS Adventure Photography Philippines trip. It was absolutely fantastic. We've got an amazing set of vlogs from that experience, and if you want to go and check those out, I will link them right there. If you are new to the channel and you haven't seen any of my work before, please feel free to go through over 100 videos from the last 10 years, some of which are absolutely terrible. Please do not judge me. I have still got a ton to learn, especially about video editing, transitions, and effects. So if you guys have any tips for me, please comment below. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all the support. This channel has been growing like mad in the last couple of months, and it is awesome to see the comments and know that you guys are enjoying the content. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the crew. I am a travel photographer and videographer trying to make it in this business and sharing all of the behind the scenes work here on YouTube, trying to be as transparent as possible with how I get the jobs, what I do when I'm working, and then the deliverables as well. So all of what you've just seen was an assignment with Brendan Van Son, who is a Canadian travel photographer and a daily vlogger here on YouTube. His channel is linked. I know a lot of you watching this already know who Brendan is, but he asked me to come along to the Philippines to help him out with the Philippines adventure photography trip, and that was what I was doing. So this is just a wrap of all the B-roll that I took and put together in sort of a hero piece and call it The Philippines is Amazing. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Whoa, hold up. Huge shout out to Ryan Leach and Brendan Van Son for letting me use some of your drone footage in this video. You are awesome.